That test was so long. 4 hours. I really do not understand why we have to take this test anyway. Are our grade point averages, GPAs, not good enough for college?
That test did seem long, didn't it? But since the curriculum of one high school is slightly different from another high school, the SAT test allows the colleges to consider each student equally. Although one student might have taken different classes from another student, all high school students take the same SAT test.
I suppose that makes sense. Either way, I really hope I do not have to take that test again.
Same here. Well, we will just have to wait and see. The scores will be out in a few weeks. Anyways, have you gotten your recommendation letters yet?
I have asked Mrs. Smith for one already, and I am thinking about asking Mr. Johnson for another one. I liked both their classes, and I think they got to know me better than my other teachers, so hopefully the letters will be well written. What about you?
I have also asked Mrs. Smith for a letter. Do you know Mr. Lawson? I would like to get a recommendation letter from him. I hope he remembers me, as I have not had a class with him since last year. I am not sure who else I could have asked.
Well, at least we each have one letter. Mrs. Smith is the best, isn't she? I wish I could have another class with her, but this is our last semester, and after that it is graduation.
I agree. Mrs. Smith really enjoys teaching, and that definitely helps her students to enjoy learning.
What colleges are you thinking of applying to? Have you visited any campuses yet?
I am still considering whether I should stay close to home or go to an out-of-state school. I have toured the Stanford campus and the people there were very friendly. I have also visited Notre Dame, the university in Indiana. What about you? Have you toured any campuses yet?
I want to stay close to home, so I am hoping to go to either a California State University or a University of California.
Which one? There is practically one or the other in each of the big cities.
Perhaps UCLA, the University of California, Los Angeles, or CSULB, the California State University, Long Beach. But I am not too worried about getting into a college just yet. I am more worried about this SAT test at the moment.
I understand how you feel. However, we should still consider what should be done next. It will be bad if we fall behind and don't make it into college by next fall. Have you decided what to study yet? I'm thinking about majoring in English myself.
English is definitely a possibility. I was thinking about becoming an English teacher like Mrs. Smith. But I was also considering majoring in biological sciences.
Why? English and biological sciences are two radically different areas of study. What would you do with a degree in biological sciences?
I am also wondering whether I should pursue medicine. It may be too early to decide yet, but if I want to become a doctor, the classes I would take as a biological sciences student would fulfill most requirements for medical school. But like I said, it is too early to determine anything yet. I am just hoping to get into a college.
I do not think you have to worry about getting into college. Still, let's just keep trying our best.
Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.